Everything about our church is being united and in communion with Christ. And as we step into Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night for the bridegroom services, behold, the bridegroom comes in the middle of the night. Is your bridal chamber ready? And what we're asking from Jesus, he wants to be our groom. We become his bride. So come in a real way to offer yourself to Christ as we step into Holy Week in a beautiful way.
And I have no wedding garment.